In this video, I'll show you how to update your RCA TV. First, you need to determine which kind of RCA TV you have. Some of them are Roku and some of them have the Android system installed. I'll show you for each of them what you should do. For the Android RCA TV, you need to go into the settings, which is the small wheel on the top right corner of your screen. And then depending which models you have, you should have in that menu device preferences. But if you don't see it, no problem. You need to click on About. So one of these two. Then on the next menu, you should click on About. And finally, System Software Update should be there. Tap on it and you'll be able to search and install the update. If you have a Roku RCA TV, you need to go on the left side here in this menu in Settings. Once you click OK, another menu will appear. You need to go down until you see System. It's the last option. Click OK. And now in this menu, you need to go under System Update. Right over there. And click OK. Then you'll need to search. So click on Check Now. It will take a few seconds. If you have an update, you'll be presented with this screen. And then select Update Now. It will take a few minutes and your TV will be updated. If after updating you're still having problems, you need to unplug your RCA TV, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back into the wall socket. This solves many issues. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, check the links down below, and I'll see you in the next video.